Hello viewers, Orko here and I welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I will explore with you the facilities available at 7 Point TVS Workshop at 1 Bijoy Basu Road, Kolkata 25. The workshop is open from 7 am to 9 pm on all 7 days a week. Let's go inside and check the space. The workshop is very bigger in size. It can accommodate nearly 500 motorcycles and scooters. So for any queries or complaint suggestion, you can refer this board. You will be greeted with tea or coffee. After tea and coffee, there are customer lounge. So in customer lounge, what else we are getting? So let's check inside. We are getting helmet rack. Apart from helmet rack, there are few certificates. There are televisions, air conditioned room, spacious customer lounge, and there you get to see the facilities available inside this workshop. You get 24/7 roadside assistance, mobile app for booking service, pickup and drop facility for your two-wheeler, annual maintenance contract, free Wi-Fi, service camp, insurance renewal, and express service. Besides, you get tea and coffee vending machine and mineral water facility also. There are separate washrooms for mechanics and customers. Once you enter the workshop with your motorcycle, immediately one representative from TVS will get in touch with you to assess the problem, and after that the job card will be opened on spot immediately using tab. There are sufficient service advisors available on floor to serve more number of customers in a shorter period of time. There are different places for the accidental claim cases. Lots of information you can see on the wall, like the final inspection board, final inspection display board, after that final inspection checklist board. There are coil resistance checklist board number 1, coil resistance checklist board number 2, then coil resistance checklist board number 3. After that you will get engine oil quantity board, then tappet clearance for BS4 model motorcycles. After that spark plug and plug cap. After the spark plug and plug cap board 2. Then you get front fork oil quantity board. Then there are notice board. The last one, spark plug matrix board. Apart from that, you get the storeroom for spare parts. For your information, you can get all the spare parts here. Now let's take a look at the back office on the customer care executives. This is cash section. Now take a look at the ramps. There are total 6 ramps, including the ramp where the service is done in 1 hour, and the name of the service is Express Service. Now be prepared to experience the TVS differentials available here in 7 Point TVS Workshop. Now we will learn about automatic chain cleaning machine. So this automatic chain cleaning machine can clean your chain automatically, and the cost is ₹100 only. So now we will see in details how this machine works, how this machine cleans the chain, and how does your chain look like after being cleaned. So for that, first we need to remove the half chain cover. Then we need to remove the lock from the chain and put it out from the motorcycle or the chain sprocket. First we need to fit it inside the automatic chain cleaning machine. So there you can see there are lots of rollers, gears and rolling brushes. So once the machine is switched on, it starts rolling and it starts cleaning the chain. So now take a close look how it cleans the chain. I will explain in details how the machine cleans the chain. So for that, some chain cleaning chemical is being poured on the chain. Then the chain is passed through cleaning brush. After that, some rollers pull the chain upward, and by this all the darts are pulled away from the chain. Now it is time to switch off the machine. Now take a close look at the chain after it is being cleaned inside the automatic chain cleaning machine. So the chain is looking very much fresh now. So it's time to remove the chain from the machine. So once the chain is removed from the machine, it will be submerged inside hot liquefied grease. The temperature of grease is 95 degree and it will remain inside the grease chamber for 10 minutes, and after that it will be put out from the chamber. Take a close look, and then the chain is being prepared for fitting in the bike. So at first it's being rolled through the smaller chain sprocket, then the lock is joined on the bigger chain sprocket and the half chain cover is fit. So the chain cleaning process is done. After that we have come to the automatic wash process. So once the switch is on, the bike is washed automatically on the ramp. So after the first wash, it is time for the executive to go deeper and then rub the surface of the bike thoroughly. So after the rubbing is complete, the bike will be washed once again with this automatic jet washer, and this washer is controlled with sensor. So once the water wash is completed, it's time to throw the pressurized air to remove the clogged water from the switch and other angular parts where clogs cannot be reached to soak the water. Now it's time to polish the bike. So the bike is polished now. Take a close look of the bike from its four angles. So it's looking extremely good, extremely satisfying. So I would recommend 7 Point TVS Workshop to every TVS owner in Kolkata and West Bengal. Thank you for watching till the end. One request from my side, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thank you once again. I appreciate your patience.